Assalamu alaikum. Teaching and learning is not a general part of our training. It is something one is expected to learn during their career and looking at their mentors. So it's nothing we have been taught formally. This bioethics pedagogy workshop is trying to address this towards the trainer. And what we are doing with focus on bioethics, we are trying to give a flavor of how to develop a lesson plan, make an objective, and show the nuances that differ while you are teaching ethics and when you are teaching a hardcore evidence-based science. We are conducting this workshop using different modalities that may be used and that enhance bioethics learning. So we hope it's going to be a good experience for those who participate and they will benefit from doing these workshops.